We're installing lights. Let's get started. Everything's on pretty tightly, so it should be good. It's what you're doing right now. Jumping in the rain. As I said, don't flip it. And it's getting very slippery too. You don't want to get too much water inside. It's super bright, but at least you can see where you're going. And it always looked really stupid when the lights couldn't turn on. It seems like it's a waste. It looks pretty strong.
It's pretty good if you're adjusting the current.
Yeah, so it's actually like real cool.
Except it's not.
The traxxas lighting system has the headlights, brake lights, and the turning signals. Let's go like that. You don't need all that. If this is an old farm truck, you'd barely just get the headlights to work instead. It's got the brakes are going, everything's going. So everything's in tight, so you have to be delicate with it. This is because all the cables are under all the chassis and everything. I should actually do it properly. It's like you said, it's easy to do it properly if the parts actually fit. And the parts did fit. This was significantly better. If you watch the last video, you'll see that I spent ages trying to swap the drift cast components into the other two cars, and the whole thing just ended up crap. And this is actually good. It's funny how just a tiny thing makes a difference. The car's fun to drive now just because you got the headlights. Boring. See that? It's gone from the camera, it's gone over there, so. Yeah. It's completely dark. Pretty cool. So usually the lights are like ripped out of film by now. Don't do that. I just have to put them properly. Same thing with the other car. The other car's fully built properly, just doesn't buy it. Because you've probably already forgotten this car doesn't come with lights. This looks pretty good.
Yeah, fall back too close. You ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north.